Hi, I'm Jules, a speech pathologist. This is another great toy. If you ever see these around at your local toy store, if you see them online, do go ahead and grab them because they are really effective in speech therapy for heaps of reasons, and I'll go through a few of those. So it's a fishing game. I cut the front off the original packaging and popped it in a clear case so that the children could see it better and pack it away easier. So the great thing about these are, one, children who are extremely visual love to create the exact design that's on the front. I love that that matching and that creative content that they put out there. And this comes with a little water barrier. So we pop them together. So we do some problem solving with this. When we see some frustration, it's a great time where I'll prompt help. So the word, and if I have my visual lanyard on, the visual and the sign for help. So this is a great way for children to learn you're there to help them. If they get frustrated, if they need something or want to request something, a great little help gets that across. And it's a very social word that we use, particularly at preschool and childcare. So you want your child to be able to ask for help if they need it. So once we build the little water barrier, we can take out all the little sea animals and we can pop them inside, and we can also have them go outside. So it's beautiful for inside, outside. We'll turn that around. Vocabulary, you've got fish, 2 words, you've got pink fish, turtle. You can also use the signs. So we've got like turtle, like that. If your child is signing or is really into them, like crab. They're super cute and great for turn taking. A little tip is the strings are usually quite long, which makes it really tricky for that hand-eye coordination mixed with a bit of patience where you have to kind of line it up. So what I'll do is I'll wind it around a few times and shorten it. So this is great for children to have a turn. Again, it does bring in the fine motor skills, which I love doing with speech and language. And as they're learning, I just do lots of repetition. So if the child hasn't got words yet or only has 1 or 2, I will say like up, 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 down, and I'll shake it and have it fall off. The kids love seeing that cause and effect. And you'll see the child have a turn, maybe verbalize and do some up, and we pop them together. You can kind of put them to one side or stack them up. That's another great one. And as soon as children realize that they can pick up more than one, that becomes their main focus. So you can actually pick up a few. So that's a beautiful one. If the child is up to 2-part instructions, I might say jellyfish and whale and just guide them over to grab the whale. Yeah, you did 2. Fantastic. My turn. I want seahorse. Up, 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 down. So that's a beautiful little game. I always am on the lookout for these little magnetic ones. Just be aware, kids do like to spin it around. So just make sure that you let them know from the beginning when they do that, that's a no, let's play gently, and just move back a bit if that does happen, because it does have a magnet on the end that's quite hard. And again, as always, make pack away part of the game. So when it's time to finish, we're gonna pop them inside. And this is one of my favorite parts to do instructions, because the children in the sessions and when I go to their homes know that it's time to pack away and put it inside. It's a very functional part of instructions. So this is a great time where I'll say, get the pink fish, put it inside. Okay, now get the crab. And I can see that they're listening, and it's really functional. It's not just randomly, go do this, go do that. It's about packing away, and I can see them really showing that they're proud, that they're engaging and learning through the games, and then we'll get to choose another game. So if you see any magnetic fishing games, they are beautiful. Definitely get those.